Hey guys, welcome back. Well, today I wanted to do a little bit of a different video. I am just basically here in my living room right now. I found good lighting of where I could angle the camera and just me. I have no makeup on. I'm hanging out on a Sunday. But I wanted to jump on here and talk about losing weight. Now, it makes me really anxious to talk about this because I don't really talk about my insecurities or what a journey it's been out loud. I kind of keep it to myself or make jokes out of it or things like that. But I mean, to lose weight and to not be really happy with yourself is something that I think we need to talk about more. And I think, yeah, I think we just need to talk about it more or hear people talk about it, hear people be genuine and themselves and not have to look at like Instagram all the time of all these beautiful women who cost a lot of money to look like that. Not that there's anything wrong with them. I mean, that's your prerogative. But I think right now we need to just see people that are real and that are real problems and that are real, real issues and that aren't Botoxed up or just hiding behind so many types of different materialistic things. I think sometimes people just need to come in here and talk real. So that's what I wanted to do. Um, my weight loss journey has been ridiculous and it's affected my mood and it's made me super depressed at times or super just I don't even know I don't even know the word. Just terrible. I was going to say self-deprecating, but it really is. And I decided to change that. I haven't changed it fully because I think it's not just about losing weight when you start to love yourself. It's a lot deeper than what your physical appearance is. But this video, I wanted to talk about how I lost weight, how I lost 13 pounds specifically in 1 month. So, the beginning of January, and if you want me to put up pictures here, let me know. But I'm just briefly going to talk about three of the things that completely just helped me drop those 13 pounds in 1 month. If you want before and after photos, just let me know. But I started off, here we're going into it, 2 minutes, 41 seconds going into the video. First thing first, I told myself, mental game, mental, so freaking mental. So mental that I would look at pictures where I just was like, ugh, with myself and look at those pictures and be like, now you have a choice. Or I wanted to lose weight so I could fit back into all my old clothes that were so beautiful and they're just sitting there collecting dust and I'm buying like schlumpy clothes because I just didn't like the way I looked or just waking up insecure, not liking the person who I saw in the mirror. So it's all mental. I was like, you make a choice. It's either now or never. And in order to do something, like even when I thought when I was doing this video, just do it. Just get it done and just do it. So I did it January 2nd actually, because January 1st we were still like hungover from New Year's Eve and stuff. But January 2nd, I took a week off of work so that I could be fully like prepped in my head and this was time that I was going to take for myself. I worked out. I did a HIIT routine from Fitness Blender that I'm going to post below because that's something that really, really kept me going. Okay, sorry. So number one is mental. I had to figure it out. You got to get it in your head. Two, I just started working out. It was so freaking tough the first time that I did this HIIT routine on Fitness Blender. Like I was huffing and puffing. I was like out of shape. Like I hated it, right? But at the end of it, while I was sweating and I had like buckets of sweat going down my face, I was like, you know what? This actually feels good. This actually feels good. And I pushed myself and I completed it one day. I made an X on one day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 5 days a week during the month, or even 6 times one week because I was so motivated. Sometimes double days where I woke up in the morning and do a HIIT routine, and then at night I would do a strength training routine. And these are all from Fitness Blender, and I'm going to post them below because this couple has just changed and rocked my world. I don't have to spend money on the gym. That's one huge thing where I'm like, if I'm going to spend $30 a month to go to a gym and really not put in my all because of the timing for me to get there, or how long it's going to take me to get there, how long I have there, I'm just going to be in the gym thinking, oh my God, I only have 1 hour. I got to get home. I got to eat dinner. I got to do this. I got to do that. Just, I couldn't. Why am I going to pay for something that I can't physically or really commit myself to? If I could do it for free on a video whenever I want in my basement at home. So these videos have just completely helped being able to work out, and even just 30 minutes of trying something new and pushing your body and just going. I mean, you'll feel it afterwards, but it feels good, and you know you did it and you're a day closer and a step closer to your goal. And the third thing that I did was I changed to my diet, and I didn't change it like stupid, like I'm just going to be eating raw vegetables and tasteless meat for the next like month. No, absolutely not. What I started doing though, I didn't put sugar in my coffee anymore. I cut out milk. I basically cut out sugar minus 4 cheat days that I had in the month. Sugar, I cut out carbs minus my cheat days, mind you, because I had 4 cheat days. And I took out alcohol. And I didn't drink any alcohol. So by eliminating sugar, carbs, and alcohol, I was able to drop 13 pounds in 1 month. And I mean, my goal was to lose 30 pounds in 3 months. And I dropped 13 pounds the month of January. February came, and all these different events that I had to go to. And I didn't gain any weight, but I didn't lose any weight. So I just plateaued. I still kept working out. The days that I could eat healthy, I did. And when I say healthy, it's just adding more vegetables into my diet, not have anything that's processed, no junk food, no fried food, no fast food. Basically, I made my lunches. I went to Costco. If you want to see me do a meal prep, let me know. But I went to Costco. I got the big old slabs of salmon, cut those down for at least 5 days. Some vegetables that I steamed and I put into that, and I ate that for lunch. I had mixed nuts for my snack at work. I had cucumbers, I had celery, because I snack a lot at work. So anything that I wanted to grab and snack on, instead of just grabbing like M&Ms, at least I had something there that was available for me. So I know I rambled on way too much during this video, but top 3 things again was mental, it was working out with Fitness Blender, and 3, it was just eating better. But I did have cheat days, totally had cheat days, and I'm not at my goal yet, like I said, but I plateaued, but I'm still going. Like, yeah, I didn't lose any weight in the month of February, or I lost like maybe a pound, right? But whatever, it's April, and I still have only lost about 16 pounds now at this point since January, but I'm still going every single day. There's days where I'll stuff my face with chocolate because I just love sweets. But the next day or whatever, my next meal after that is going to be super healthy. I drink a lot of water. I actually started breaking out a lot because I changed up my diet and because I started exercising. My skin has never reacted, or it's the physical changes or the internal changes that are happening out to my body are causing physical changes, because I broke the pattern of what I was digesting, what my food was taking or my body was taking in to eat, and I broke out. And it's so funny because I was like, I'm gonna lose weight, I'm gonna feel so amazing about myself. I've never had a zit in my life, and if I do, it's like one. And then I started breaking out, and I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna win. I'm not gonna win. I'm losing weight, but my face is breaking out. Like, I'm totally gonna be insecure forever. But no, that's all BS. That's all mental. I it was a lot worse than it has been. I just started drinking a lot more water and kind of just taking care of my skin better. But that's besides the point. So that's how I lost 13 pounds. If you guys want to see before and after videos, let me know. If you want to see meal preps, let me know. I'll link the videos down below. And if you guys want to take this journey with me, let's take it together and just be happier and healthier. Okay, under 10 minutes. Love you guys.